Nice and lovely, guys. Basically, I'm going to be showing you how you can cook some nice, lovely coconut rice at home. Alright, so basically right here I have some basmati rice, and I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut rice at home in your kitchen. Look at that, beautiful. This is going to be Jamaican coconut rice. So basically right here I have the whole good basmati rice, which is very easy to cook, guys. It doesn't take long to cook, and you have to be careful when you're gonna cook basmati rice. You can use brown rice, you can use wheat rice, you can use whatever kind of rice, black rice, yellow rice. But I'm telling you, I'm gonna be giving you some tips and ideas how to do your coconut rice at home. Secret recipe from Chef Ricardo. All right, now you can do two things. You can either grate a fresh coconut, or you can just use the one which come in the tin. I'm not going to be using the one which come in the tin, you know what I mean, because I didn't have any more left of my grated coconut rice. All right, coconut. So yeah, so you might have said, how much coconut rice I have in this? Right here, I didn't measure it, but roughly about 4 cups of rice I have in this pot. What you want to do is to make sure you wash your rice. A lot of people say, oh, I don't wash rice. Why? Because the rice got something to preserve it. So you have to wash your rice very, very good. So what I'm going to do now is wash the rice. All right. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, just to give you a tips on what's going on right here, this is the rice, and I just wash it off. I hear a lot of people say, oh, I don't wash my rice. Why? There's things which protect the rice from does not go. Why you want to put that inside of you? No. All right. Cut the long story short. So basically, here it is. And I have a little bit of water over the rice. Not much. All right. You can do this in your rice cooker same way. Now, you can put fresh thyme, spring onion, whatever you want, but I'm gonna keep my own simple. Little bit of black pepper. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do is put roughly about 1/4 cups of coconut milk inside of it. Alright. And I'm using reduced fat coconut milk, which is much better for you. Alright. You can use whatever brand you want to use, but I'm always checking for reduced fat coconut milk because I'm taking a lot of the oil out. Alright. I know the coconut milk gonna bring it up the water a little bit, so that's the reason why I keep a little bit of water in the pot over the rice. Now you can use sea salt. Alright, a little bit of sea salt. Sea salt is very good for you. Let's see. Perfect. And not only that, you can taste the coconut in it. It's beautiful. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to be leaving this for it to cook for roughly about 20 minutes. So I'm going to cover it, and it will take a very long, for about 15 to 20 minutes it will take. Alright guys, so stay tuned in and don't go anywhere. Watch this beautiful recipe. This can be served with chicken, whatever you like to serve it with. Stay tuned. Nice one, guys. So basically, here it is. Alright, what I want to do is use a spoon and kind of wake up the rice. Alright, so basically, as you can see, the rice is so shelly and looking so good. Alright, so you want to wake up the rice. Alright, well, once you wake up the rice, you want to give it a wrap like this. Alright, using the clean flame and give it a wrap. Just gonna leave this for another good 10 minutes for it to steam. Alright, please enjoy it as it goes on. Nice and lovely. Now, it's roughly about 10 to 15 minutes now I have it like this. Look at this. Alright, so you steam the rice. Alright guys, that's what you want to do. You want to steam the rice. Once you steam the rice, you're going to check it to see what your rice look like. But you know what I mean, in a rice cooker it's different. You know what I mean, a lot of people have rice cooker at their house, but me now I'm cooking on the stove naturally, an authentic style, you know. So this look good. So the rice is ready. Cause you can know when the rice ready, look. You know what I mean? This look different, totally different. So this is ready. Now I'm gonna share it up with some chicken. Make you see how it look. Coconut rice from Chef Ricardo. How to cook your coconut rice at home. Perfect. This is ready. Time to share. This is just amazing. So as I can see, I start to plan with everything already. I start the rice and I got some sweet potato there. What I want to do is get some nice lovely sauce, which I have. Alright. That's looking amazing guys, honestly. I got some chicken thigh, which I want to drop straight in the sauce. Just like this. It's fantastic. Look at this, beautiful. And also I got one medium size tomato. And also I have some nice lovely fresh broccoli, which I'm cooking right here. I'm just gonna simply just do something for you guys, you know what I mean? Make you guys know that Chef Ricardo is still in the making of doing things at home. That is beautiful. No, tell me guys, that is fantastic and amazing, you know what I mean? Yeah, look at that. That is just really lovely with the sauce and everything. Enjoy, subscribe, leave your comments, and that's the way we normally do things in the kitchen when we do coconut rice with chicken, broccoli, tomato. And I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipes. Sweet potato on the plate also. Alright, we love you all, and I will definitely see you again with more recipe. That's some red onion, and that's beautiful sweet potato right there. Amazing. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo. Alright? And if you love the recipe, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and I will see you. Bye bye. Nice and lovely guys. So basically I know I've been making a lot of this smoothie over the last couple of days, but not only the reason why I'm making a lot of this smoothie because of the weather. The time is what? 33. Very, very hot. You have to be careful out there guys, seriously. Anyway, what we're going to be doing, as I said, you see the video over and over. We're gonna add some coconut milk. You can get coconut milk in the supermarket to buy or your local shop. Alright, we're gonna add roughly about half cups of coconut milk inside of the blender. As you can see what I'm doing right here. Alright. Half cups of coconut milk. It's just amazing. I'm gonna be making a healthy lunchtime green smoothie, and it's gonna be really healthy. So don't worry yourself about the healthiness. It's very, very healthy one, this one. Secondly, we're gonna use some organic honey, a teaspoon of organic honey. And thirdly, I have some spinach, which I'm gonna be using. I just wash out my spinach. I'm gonna put 2 nice handful of spinach, 1.5 handful, have spinach. I love spinach, you know what I mean? And it's just be a green. What if iron? Ice. You have to put some ice in there to give it that lovely coolness what you're looking for. We're gonna put in a lot of ice inside of it, alright? Ripe banana. We're going to put some ripe banana. 1 finger of ripe banana. Yes. Straight up, guys. Straight up, straight up. I got some seeds. This is some chicha seed. I just have a little bit left in it. I'm just gonna pour out the bag left in this. This is a chicha seed. That's the last of my seed. Alright, guys. Now I got some protein powder. This is the vanilla flavor I'm using. So I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons of the protein powder right here. That's good. Chef Ricardo. We got avocado, which is a must. You have to put avocado in it. I will put it in the description box. Go back to my Instagram where you can get all the recipe, also are on my website chefricardo.co.uk. Go there and get the recipe. Alright, guys. Lovely and nice. So I'm gonna be using what, half of an avocado inside of it. So I'm just simply scraping out the avocado. Alright, I'm just using my spoon and scrape it out. That is lovely. Now it's time to blend it up, Chef Ricardo. Let's blend it. Alright, guys. So yeah, that was a perfect blending right there, as you can see it for yourself. Now what we're going to do is taste it. Let's taste it. It tastes nice, but what I'm going to do is put another teaspoon of honey in it. Yeah, I can taste the coolness. That's what I'm looking for because of the hot weather. Yes, let's taste it again to see where we are. Nice one, so we're gonna taste it. perfect. We're going to share it up now, guys. Please enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Stay tuned. Nice one. So it is this the way it look. Yeah. Nice one. Please enjoy it, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas like this will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And as I say, yeah, why not make it at home, guys, and see exactly what Chef Ricardo is making. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Healthy green juice recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.